In Java, a lot of times we need to iterate over an array, and a lot of times we need to modify the contents of an array. But what happens when you need to do both? Can you do it? How can you do it in an efficient way? Let me show you. So let's suppose we have here an integer array list with elements from 1 to 10, and we are asked to figure out which one of them are the odd numbers and to print them out in the output. What you can do is declare a for loop. So for integer I in list, if I mod 2 not equal to 0, that means it's an odd number, then list dot remove I. But if you do this and run this, see what happens. You get an error, and the type of the error is current modification exception, which means when you are iterating over an array list, you cannot simply remove stuff from that list. Instead, what you need to do is when you find your candidate, you need to get that into a separate array and send that out from your method. Let me show you how. So to do that, you need to declare a second array list. Let's say I say array list and then again integer, and then I call this odds, which is equal to new array list. And now instead of removing this thing, you can say odds dot add I, and then after the iteration is over, you can just print out the values of odds. Let's see how that works. So now you see odds has printed out with only the odd numbers and nothing breaks. So remember, when you are iterating over an array or an array list, don't try to remove stuff from that. Instead, take what you need to get in a separate array and send that out from your method. Hope that helps.